like 11 already, and I just went to the camera electronic shop to not buy the camera because it's not what I cannot afford it right now, the truth is, but buy the microphone and hard drive because I need one. And now I'm gonna go visit a bit downtown Manhattan, and I should still have at least 1 hour before it starts raining again. But today is super warm outside. There are like 15 degrees. I don't even have my winter coat jacket, and yeah, it's really nice. And after that I hope to go to another museum when it starts raining, and maybe, you know, have enough energy to do that and then go home for a very late lunch. Okay, after I got really confused with the metro, I think I'm on the right way to see the Christmas tree from the financial district. Apparently there is a Christmas tree in front of the New York Stock Exchange. Anyway, about the metro. Funny thing is that here they have, well, the network of subways. It's big and complicated, but they have like colors, different colors and numbers and letters, the lines, but you see some of them, although they have the same number or letter, they're either local or express, which means that the local ones stop in each station and the express one stops only every 2 to 3 stations. So basically, if you're like, you need to go further, then you can take the express. If you need to go like to a specific line and there's only a local stopping there, then you take the local. And sometimes it's confusing. On the other hand, it's quite windy here. It's starting to get cold. Tree from the New York Stock Exchange. This is the second tree, big tree in New York. The first one is the Rockefeller Center, which was impossible to get near to. It's so crowded. York Stock Exchange, and they have some Christmas decoration which is really nice. And that's the tree from New York Stock Exchange, which is also really nice. That's the statue of the little girl, which is always busy because everybody wants to take a picture with that, so I basically have no chance. And yeah, as always, they have renovation going on. Scaffolds they're called? I don't know. And they're ruining the entire area. This was not here last summer, so yeah. But they were on the other side, so they're always moving them. They're never disappearing. Anyway, I think this is one of the busiest places in New York. The other one would be Fifth Avenue, the other one would be Times Square. Definitely that's the busiest place. And this area around Wall Street would be the second. And then Fifth Avenue with the Rockefeller Center. Yeah, crazy. I made it this far. I want to see the statue of the bull because last time it was impossible to see. It was literally surrounded by people, so I couldn't see anything. Let's see now. We are here, and well, we can see parts of it. People are still taking pictures with the behind of the statue. Seems to be very popular pose, but you can see the statue. It's a windy situation. I don't know if you can hear me. This is the bowl. Crowd is as always, but not as crowded as usual. It's just half crowded today. And that is because it's cloudy and probably it will start raining anytime now. Oba. My schedule for today was to walk around a bit more, but yeah, I don't know. The weather is really tricky today. Tricky weather. Come on, camera. Yeah. So basically I just wanted to show you the crowds and where I was walking around. Nothing too fancy. Yeah, this is the New York vibe, I guess. This is Washington Square Park, place I've missed last time. It's raining a bit. Let's take a quick look a bit and then go find shelter because it's always raining. So my conclusion is that no matter when you come in New York, you will get some rainy days and prepare for them. Usually it's not cold. Apparently even in December there are 15 degrees. I'm not cold like this, but it's a bit windy, depends where you're going. Right now here is not so windy, but downtown in the financial district and near the ports, I'm guessing it's quite windy, so it feels like less than 15 degrees. I think it's gonna rain a lot. I bet it's even nicer in summer. Oh, look, there's a Christmas tree. So this was to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the inauguration of George Washington as first president of the United States. Another Christmas tree. Christmas definitely happening, although it feels like rainy autumn. Oh my god, look at that dog. And right there is the tallest building in the Northern Hemisphere. To visit the Fashion Institute of Technology, which is like university, but they have a free museum. So this is it, Fashion and Textile History Gallery, Museum of Fit Fashion Institute of Technology. Fashion Institute of Technology Museum visit. The museum is really interesting. It's not really big, but it has a lot of interesting stories, and you find a lot of fashion stuff. So yeah, definitely recommend it. It's free, and you should definitely do it, especially if it's rainy outside. Okay, so another thing that's happening today is that my cousin and I just found another. What is this? 1 dime. That's like 10 cents. I found 10 cents. Okay. It's not the first one.
I know.
It's not the first. Anyway, so this evening, we are at Mean Girls. It's a Broadway show. It's my first one, and I'm here with my cousin. Yeah. And it's not really impossible to see a show. It's actually affordable if you plan a bit ahead or wait outside for a few hours or something. I don't know. I will tell you later about it. If it's nice, and if it's not nice, I will tell you not to come, but I bet it's nice. And it's a lot of people. Ooh, they have a gift shop. So, this is the theater. It's really nice. And we got the rush tickets from Today Tix. Yeah. Which were not the most expensive. As you can see, we are sitting on the last row, but still it's a great view. And we are basically on the center, so that's really cool. And it's full. People are still coming, but it's pretty full. We should have done that a long time ago.